everyone, welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Today we're talking about something we all struggle with at times, keeping our homes clutter-free. But don't worry, I've got 10 daily habits that can help you stay on top of clutter without feeling overwhelmed. If that sounds helpful, keep watching. Let's start simple. Take just 5 minutes before bed to do a quick tidy up. Put away things left out during the day, books, remotes, or any random items lying around. It's surprising how much difference 5 minutes can make. If you bring something new into your home, try removing something old. This simple one in, one out rule will help prevent excess stuff from building up. Sort through your mail every day. Recycle junk mail, file important papers, and avoid letting a pile accumulate. It only takes a minute but can save you from an overwhelming stack later. Tip number 4, quick closet check. When you take something out of your closet, give it a quick scan to see if there are items you no longer wear or need. Set them aside for donation. It's a simple step that keeps closets from overflowing. Tip number 5, clean as you go. Whether cooking or working at your desk, put things away as you go. Clean up dishes, wipe counters, and return items to their spots immediately. It may take a few extra seconds, but it'll keep messes from piling up. Tip number 6, designate a landing zone. Create a specific area where you can drop items like keys, bags, and shoes when you walk in. This landing zone keeps everyday essentials contained and prevents them from spreading throughout your home. Tip number 7, use a laundry system. A clutter-free home includes a laundry system. Sort clothes as you go with separate hampers or a laundry sorter. This helps you stay organized and prevents dirty clothes from piling up. Tip number 8, daily declutter basket. Keep a small basket in a central area where you can toss items that don't belong in that space. At the end of the day, go around and put them back in their rightful spots. Tip number 9, assign a home for everything. Everything should have a specific place it belongs. This habit makes tidying up so much easier because you're never wondering where things should go. Tip number 10, do a 5-minute clutter check at dinner time. After dinner, take a few minutes to go around and pick up any remaining clutter before settling down for the night. It's an easy way to start the next day on a clean note. Those are my 10 daily habits to keep your home clutter-free. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, but a more organized, calming space. Which habit are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips on keeping your home happy and stress-free.